Good evening, children. Yesterday we discussed what is a linear equation, what is a variable, what is a linear equation in one variable. We all discussed what is a constant, everything we discussed. But today, simple equations means linear equations. If they are equal to some number or some variable, those we call it as simple equations. How to solve the following simple equations? About the linear equations. How to solve the linear equations? If the variable is on the left hand side, how to solve this equations? See, before going to see this how to solve this following equations, you have to remember the four things in your mind. See, if you transpose, this is equals to sign. If you transpose addition plus 20, if you transpose to the left hand side, it becomes minus 20. If minus 20, if you transpose to the from left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes plus 20. Next, if it is multiplying into 20, that means some variable x into 20 is equals to, if you want to transpose, this is here it is multiplying. If you want to transpose from left hand side to the right hand side, it divides. So it actually divides, division. Some may be 4 like that. Next here, if it is in divisions place, that means it is dividing in the left hand side. If it transpose to the right hand side, it multiplies. So if you remember these four things in your mind, you can do the exercise within minutes, within seconds you can do this exercise. Okay, you have to remember this. If plus 20 or plus quantity, if you transpose to the left hand side, it becomes negative quantity. If it is negative on the left side, it becomes positive. Here multiplication means division. You should not forget that one. Here division means there, if you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes multiplication. If you remember those four things, you can easily do these problems. Okay, come here. Next, 6m is equals to 12. So here what it is doing? See, you have to keep it in mind one thing. You have to keep the variable terms on the left hand side and remaining all the constant terms are the coefficients. You have to take to the, you have to transpose it to the right hand side. Okay, just you have to keep only the variables on the left hand side. So here 6 is multiplying 6 into m. So keep the variable term here, variable on the left hand side, and take the what is this one, 6 to the right hand side, that is 12. 6 it is multiplying, so it divides. So 6 ones, 6 twos, so m is equal to 2. That's all. Very easy. If you solve means, if you remember these things means, it is very easy to do it, very easy to solve. Here also same we have to apply like the first one only. Here 14p is equals to minus 42. If you transpose the 14, p is equals to minus 42. Here it is multiplying. If it goes to the, otherwise here it is in the numerator. If you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes denominator, that is 14. 14 ones, 14 threes. So p is equals to, minus will be there like that only. So minus 3. Okay. In this way we have to solve. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Into means division, division means into. That four things if you remember means, you can easily do that one. See the fourth one. Third one you do it your own. See, minus 2x is equals to minus 12. Both sides, if you have minus means, you can cancel it, or multiply with if you multiply with plus on both sides, both gets cancelled. Minus into plus, both gets cancelled. So here it is multiplying, x is equals to x. Otherwise you keep it like this only, minus minus, you keep it like this only, minus. So x is equal to minus 12. If you take this one, if you transpose it to the right hand side, it becomes division. With along with minus you have to take minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. 2 ones 2 6. So x is equals to 6. In this way we can solve. Next, fifth one. See the fifth one. 34x is equals to minus 51. 34x is equals to minus 51. Here also it is multiplying. Minus 51 by 34. It divides. With which number we can divide this 34 and 51? Divided by 17. With 17 we can divide. Both numbers we have to divide with the same number. 17, 17. 17 3 is 31 minus 3. Minus symbol is there, so minus will come. By 17 2 is 34. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, we'll see the remaining problems in the next video. Okay, thank you.